Hey there, IT pros. Today we're diving into the top tips to secure your IT network from hackers. With the cybersecurity landscape constantly shifting, staying ahead is essential. Let's get started. First up, develop a robust security policy. This policy should outline rules, guidelines, and measures to protect your IT infrastructure. Think access controls, user management, network security, data backup, software patching, and incident response. Next, regularly update software and systems. Keeping everything up to date with the latest security patches is a must. Enable automatic updates to quickly address any identified vulnerabilities. Implement strong access controls, enforce complex passwords and regular changes. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, and always follow the principle of least privilege. Only give users the access they truly need. Utilize robust network security measures. A strong firewall, intrusion detection, and prevention systems are key. Secure remote connections with VPNs and encrypt data in transit. Network segmentation can also limit the impact of any breaches. Regularly back up critical data. Develop a data backup strategy and store backups securely, preferably off-site or in encrypted cloud storage. Monitor and analyze system logs. Set up a system for tracking logs, network traffic, and user activity. This helps identify potential security incidents and ensures a timely response. Educate and train employees. Regular security awareness training is crucial. Teach your team about common cyber threats and best practices. Encourage safe computing habits and prompt reporting of any suspicious activities. Conduct regular vulnerability assessments and penetration testing. Identify potential weaknesses and simulate real-life attacks to find security gaps. Establish an incident response plan. Clearly outline steps to take during a breach or attack. Define roles and communication channels for effective incident handling. Finally, keep up with industry trends and best practices. Follow security blogs, subscribe to newsletters, and join relevant forums or conferences. Regularly review and update your security measures based on evolving threats. Remember, maintaining IT infrastructure security is an ongoing process. By being proactive and comprehensive, you can significantly reduce cyber risks and protect your organization's valuable assets and data. Stay safe out there. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep securing those networks. Information and Communication Services Limited. New Zealand, incorporated in 2015, has world-class IT, cybersecurity and full-stack developers on board with us to manage your network online or physically audit at competitive prices. Visit us at www.icsservices.nz. Call us 02102 838 349.